Sauk Valley's Weather Authority, this is Sauk Valley Weather Today with meteorologist Andrew Stutzky.
Good morning. As we wrap up Severe Weather Awareness Week here, another topic, damaging hail, something we do see a lot of, not extremely large hail, but hail that is. And the biggest hailstone ever recorded in the United States coming in at an astounding 8 inches in diameter. Just think a softball-sized piece of hail is about 4 inches in diameter, so just double that. And that's some extreme hail. Now, not to say we don't see that around here very often, thankfully. And as we get into the dangers of hail, well, not only does it do property damage, but when you have a hailstone falling to the earth at about 107 miles per hour, that's fairly fast. That's almost a little bit faster than some of the pitches made by Major League Baseball players. So just think about that. You know, you really want to be inside anytime there's a severe thunderstorm that contains some hail, especially in a sturdy structure. Cars are okay, but again, you could have some windshield damage. Could also have some of that glass flying at you. So really a sturdy structure is what we prefer. Also make sure you stay away from windows because a lot of times that hail, it is wind driven with a lot of the storms especially that we see around here. Now some excitement coming in. Of course it's the weekend and I'm always excited about that, but another additional detail that gets a little bit more exciting this weekend is the fact that we're going to be returning to daylight saving time. So what that means is a later sunset for us here for Sunday evening. Notice on Saturday 6 o'clock will be our sunset, but because we're springing forward, if you will, we are going to enjoy a sunset now after 7 o'clock, and days will continue to get longer, certainly making a little bit more of a better mood for us as we can get outside, especially after work now. And now if only our temperatures would cooperate, because today we are a little bit below average. It's certainly not going to feel like spring. Highs only around 40 degrees. Some of us could even be stuck in the upper 30s. But at least on the bright side, notice the winds. There's not much of it like we've had the last few days here. So it will be fairly comfortable, especially if you're out in the sun. Now looking longer term, we do have some warmth, but we're going to have to wait for it here. You can ignore this. We're not expecting any rain or snow. Forgot to take that out this morning. But we are going to see a much quieter pattern. In fact, I don't have any precipitation really to talk about through the next week. Really not until we get into the following weekend. And by then, our temperatures could be well into the 50s as you see here. We do work our way up through the 40s through much of the week. And it'll be a mix of clouds and sunshine. A lot of the major storm systems look like they will slide to the south of the area, really bypassing us. Again, this is good news because we do need a bit of a break. This will allow river levels to continue to fall and also hopefully dry up some of the field flooding that is still ongoing. It won't be too long before farmers will be wanting to get in those fields, and hopefully this drier pattern will certainly make that situation a little bit better. Have a good weekend.